Hey, get over here! I made contact and he's behind 3135. Stop running! He's jumping fences. He's this way. He's this way, Sarge.
He's in the backyard. In the backyard. Update to me when possible.
Stop!
He's done that trailing list. Shots fired, shots fired.
Officer fired through the fence, but suspect still escaped. However, with the help of a drone, he soon discovered the target again.
He's right here! Stop moving! Stop! Stop!
Shots fired!
Given the danger of the suspect, this officer fired again and successfully hit the target, after which officers swarmed him and placed Smith in handcuffs.
Don't fucking move! Don't fucking move! I got it.
20 is 8412.
Here we go. What's your name, bro? Go.
8412.
Don't fucking move.
Copy that. Wait, no potential.
No, stay right there. I'm cutting your clothes off, bro.
Please, let me lay down.
Hey,
Let me lay down.
hold on.
Let me lay down.
Shut up, dude.
We're gonna get you medical attention, bro, right? Let's chill out. We got ambulance on the
Let me lay
way.
down, man, please. Please, let me lay down.
Keep your eyes open, bro.
I need some water.
I know.
Some water.
We'll get you some water.
Please, please.
Give me a tourniquet.
It was learned afterward that Smith had just been released from prison 3 months before this incident, and despite multiple violations during his incarceration, he was still granted parole and released several years early. And ultimately, Smith survived after receiving emergency medical treatment, subsequently being charged with dozens of felonies, including first-degree murder. And on January 17th, 2025, he reached a plea agreement with the judge, where he will be sentenced to life imprisonment without the possibility of parole.